Hello and welcome back to another episode on the valet YouTube channel. Today we have a Ford Focus ST in tangerine screen. It's in for a maintenance detail. Not a maintenance detail, a maintenance valet. And a detail and wax. Before any of the wax is applied, you have to get the paintwork as clean as possible to avoid dragging anything around on the paint that may currently be bonded to. So we've got to get that off before we do anything. And the first stage is to spray it up with an iron fallout remover, and you can see that here on all the little purple drippy bits. Not sure what the technical term is. It's more obvious around the back, it's just general brake filings. So around here you can see there's a slight purple hue. So the iron filings have now been removed with an iron fallout remover. We're just going to work on removing the tar. As you can see, it all dripping down here as we've applied a tar and glue remover, and it just simply wipes off. But you've got to go around and get all of it. There'll always be a little bit just up here on the wheel arch, so we'll spray that up, but we'll get that with a different cloth. It's got a slightly older cloth, it's been washed a few more times, which makes it ideal for the rougher areas such as the plastic arch liners, as opposed to the paintwork. That's the Ford Focus ST done. It's had its standard maintenance valet with a light paintwork decontamination and a wax. So unfortunately, halfway through when we were waxing it, we had a slight rain, which is a bit of a pain because it's been really nice weather for the past few weeks, and the one day that we get a wax in, or a car that needs waxing, it rains. So all the inside's been done. Door shuts. Wheels have been done, fronts and backs, and we've detailed on the plastic liners of the wheel arches as well. Special little bit of attention that most people forget is this little bit here on the wheel arch when they're detarring. Makes all the difference, as you can see.